Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I am recording live from Jamaica, in Jamaica for the summer finally, and this weekend is my family's reunion, my mother's side of the family. So family from all walks of life are here to celebrate our generation. So this is our room, bathroom. This is my little fit for today. My cookie about to do some falsies on me. These are the views from the room. It's the first night, so we're gonna be here Friday to Sunday. Yeah, 3-day family reunion weekend. So tonight is like our meet and greet and our dinner, like our formal dinner. So I'm gonna get ready for that now. Zion just gave me some palsies. So yeah, I'm gonna get dressed now. It's meet and greet time. We're having our cocktails. Oh, by the way, guys, my boyfriend is here. He's going to be meeting the entire family this week. How do you feel about that? Yeah, so tonight was a pretty decent night. I don't even think I showed you guys my fit before I left, but this dress I was supposed to wear on my birthday earlier this year, and I canceled my plans. So yeah, and I wear them with those sandals. I am so tired. Like, I literally came to Jamaica last night. I got in, like, let's say I got in after 8. I didn't get home until like 10 o'clock, and I didn't end up going to bed until like almost 2 a.m. Then I woke up this morning at 6:30 a.m. went to my appointments and everything. And the night before, I also didn't go to bed the night before my flight until like 2 a.m. So I'm literally running on zero. Like, I need to sleep. Tomorrow is an early morning as well. So I'm gonna like prepare everything that I need for tomorrow and take my makeup off and head to bed. So we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is a day at the beach. So yeah, good morning. It's day 2 of family reunion. We are ready. Beach day. We're going to Blue Waters Beach Club. That's in Trelawney. Campbell family t-shirts. I don't think I said it earlier, but this family reunion is for my mom's side of the family, my favorite side of the family. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi vlog. It's nice to be back. I know y'all missed me. We have so much to talk about. Not really.
What?
The baby's not in here.
Where Genesis? Where she even come from?
I know. Brenna have her. She in the lobby.
Oh, alright, I'll go there then. Your hair smells sweet though. So you don't have on your shirt. Say hi to the vlog, my baby. Say hello with your little t-shirt.
Say hi.
And your little shorts.
Our chest shot.
So we made it to the beach. We're about to go and have breakfast. How are you enjoying your time so far?
I'm not gonna lie, no, we're at the back of the line because it took too long to come, but we all get through to the people, so we're all in faith.
That's not even what I asked you. This is breakfast. I'm only having stewed chicken and fried dumpling. Kyle's plate, but we had stewed chicken, ackee, kalaloo on the line with boiled food and fried dumpling.
You guys are here to have fun.
And they have to come back and fill up the red stripe buckets. The first team to fill up the whole bucket is going to be the winners. Go! You're in the cup.
The white and the yellow at the end.
I have this skirts, which is, I think I'm gonna wear these because I'm kind of hot. So cute.
Lunchtime.
Do you want juice?
No, maybe I got drink, eat the food without juice.
Once you walk with left way.
Because you always get the juice.
So we made it back to the villa. I am honestly just so tired right now. We just kind of like had a really long day at the beach. I desperately want to sleep. I feel like I've been having this never-ending migraine like all day. Like it started when we were at the beach. I took a painkiller and it just kind of like never went away. So yeah, we're gonna vibe out. I think we're gonna get KFC for dinner. Tomorrow is the last day of the family reunion. It's been good so far, good fun time so far. Breakfast got me a little cappuccino, frappuccino, eggs and bacon, and I'm gonna eat some cappuccino mine. Today is day 3, the final day of family reunion. We're about to go inside the pool until later. We have like our final event of the evening.
Oh, girl. Yeah.
That one didn't waterproof. That one didn't waterproof.
Yeah.
Hello. I'm considering arguing about Bulla Big like somebody head. How we are talking about? How we are talking what part? Show me can. Okay. When is my head big, your head big?
Full day is finished. I got my whole head wet, and then now these braids are just so heavy and so wet. So now it's time to get dressed for our last event, which is just tropical Sunday. We're gonna all be dressed in like a tropical outfit. We're gonna have a buffet, drinks, that type of thing. I'm gonna get dressed. I have this super cute dress. I'm gonna show it to you guys. This is the fit. I did my makeup in 17 minutes. I think it turned out so cute for makeup that was done on a whim. That's mommy's outfit.
Tonight's dinner.
Mother, tell them, shut up your mouth.
My father was a stick of a family. He loved this family. Uncle Bud, as you all know, was my father. And I think those of us as children, we kind of took it from him. We love family. Want to say family and with that. I do not want this family reunion to die, this tradition. Okay, so everybody, 2028. will be the next time we meet.
This was our beautiful villa, opulence villa in Drax Hall. Honestly, we had such a perfect stay. This is how they're setting up breakfast for us on our last morning. So I finally settled after the family reunion. Like the whole weekend was just so busy. Honestly, I had such a great time. Like I love family. Family just means everything to me. That's something that I realized at our family reunion, that everyone who was there like has the same sentiments, and it's coming from like my mom's grandparents. They passed down like that family value. Like everybody has just shared it with their children, and we've just like held on to it. And so I just really had a really good time. From my grandfather's siblings, only one of them is still alive, my auntie, my grand aunt, and it was just so nice seeing her. She's 82 and she's just still so strong. The food was good. The villa that we stayed at, opulent, I'm gonna link their Instagram in the description. The villa was a 10 out of 10 luxury. It gave luxury, and this is obviously like the first time I'm bringing a partner along with me and like introducing a man to like everyone. So at this point we like have to, you know, because what? But yeah, he also enjoyed it. He loves my family. He had a really good time as well. So yeah, I'm just grateful that I had a really good weekend. So now it's time to just enjoy the rest of my time in Jamaica, and yeah, give you guys some more content and vlogs. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I tried to vlog as much as I could. Like it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.